Hey guys, this is Lancer. Welcome you back to another episode of Let's Randomly Play, and we are playing Sea Monkeys. I guess that's what this game is called, for the GBA. And I don't know if this is the game that Atma was suggesting to me. It could be. I don't know. But, yeah, this is, okay. We're gonna do it either way, so let's see. We got options, difficulty. Let's just do medium. Okay, it's all good. I guess we'll do new game, level 1. Level 1 maximum time, 30 seconds. Sea Monkeys to be saved too. So we have to save, what the hell? Okay. This is Nautilus, she swims anywhere you want her to, okay? So what are we supposed to be doing here? The goldfish before the... Okay, so you need to pick up the goldfish? Is that... Did we do it? Did we win? Okay, I won, I guess. I don't know what's going on. This is really... Okay, so we won. So I guess you have to collect all the goldfish in the time limit? I guess you can, like, pick, like, where you start. What the hell are those eyeballs? Guess you just go around, you pick up the little thingies. Oh my god! Okay, so the green fish kill you. Okay, that's good to know. Oh no! Nautilus dead! But there's still 4 Nautilus left apparently, so... Okay, so don't touch the green fish. But, like, the movement can be very sporadic. It's like, it'll, like, suddenly, like, move, like, really fast, so... I don't know, it can really be... Oh my god. It can really be easy to do stuff that you don't really... Penis shell, what does that do? They're saved, okay. There's one left somewhere, I don't see where it is. There it is, okay. So we win. Right? So come on over to the shell, I guess. Yeah, okay, so basically you want to get all the goldfish before they get there. Level complete, okay. You know, this reminds me of something. I don't know what, but it reminds me of something. Okay. Level 3. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I guess we'll just start here. Whoa. Oh, you gotta, like, push that, I guess? Okay. Whoa! They're, like, already there. Aww. Well, let's start over here, I guess. Guess we'll start over. Okay, I tried it wouldn't let me. Out of the way, dude. Jerkies. Ah, we got it. Sweet! Who the man? Aw, yeah. Go Sea Monkeys. This game's awesome, man. What are you talking about? It's freaking epic. What the hell? Those aren't gold. Really not very friendly. Okay, so you want to pick one up, I guess? Whoa, my god. I don't know. Do we even want to pick them up? I'm not really sure. That was easy. Oh! You want to keep them away. Oh yeah. Okay, I see how it works. Keep on playing anyway. What's the point of that? No. No, I didn't mean to... Yeah, so you want to keep them away from the freaking sea monkeys. That's basically what you want to do here. I don't know what that stingray can do, but... So keep them over here. So it's interesting how that works. I don't know if that manta ray dude can... yeah. The manta ray can kill you, apparently. One attempt left! One left, dude! I think we can handle our business here. So stay away from the manta ray. Oh my god. See, the movement is so, like, bad. It's like, you can, like, not mean to move somewhere and it just kind of, like, I can't even describe, like, the physics. It's like, it's really bad, though. It's like, I don't know. It's like you move more than you want to move, and it's just, Okay, where's the other sea monkeys? Come on, let's go. Finish up your business. Okay. Alrighty, we're having a good time now. Level 5. Let's check out level 5. We got more piranhas. Oh, so we got the rocks here, and we got the piranhas. Okay, that's what that business is. Where's the sea monkeys at? Oh my god. Oh, we got all the goldfish already. Dude, no. Damn it. Freaking hell. Okay, so we basically want to take these guys and just take them down here. And pretty much just hide in the corner with them, I guess. Come on down here, dude. Okay. Alright, can we just kinda... We can, like, fast forward it? What? What happened? I don't know what happened. Apparently they died somehow. I don't know what happened, honestly. Okay, the other assholes didn't, like, come with me. Okay, so how did they die? I don't understand what... Oh, probably because... No. I can't control these guys, seriously. I'm trying, but it's just not working. It's like they won't follow me. All of you. No. Okay, do I have them all? I think. Okay, can we handle our business now? Can we just kind of speed this along and... Oh, okay. Can we, like, keep you guys here? Oh. Okay. For the front, okay, they're fine. Okay. Alrighty then, we got it. There we go. So in a way, it kind of is like Lemmings, basically. In a way. Not exactly, but it's kinda. Lantern, he attracts the sea monkeys. Like light attracts moths, okay. Okay. Oh, so there's no goldfish. So okay, so where's the shell at? Somewhere along... Okay, there it is right there. So you kind of want to direct them, I guess. Where'd they go? I don't know. What the hell happened? I have no idea what happened. Okay, kind of watch where they go. Yeah, see? You kind of gotta do that. Down here. There we go. See? It's pretty simple. Not really a big deal. Levels? I don't know how many levels there are, but we'll do another one at least. So what's going on here? We gotta collect goldfish again, apparently. What is this? Fatal effect on fish, okay. So there's a switch. Oh my god. Okay, that's not cool. Can we, like, use the poison on the piranhas? Can that happen? There you go. Well, it worked on some of them, at least. Okay, so we took care of that. Oh, no. See, I was almost successful, but just not quite. So the first thing I want to do is poison the piranhas, so you can actually collect all the goldfish. You want to use this dude to divert these guys over here. No. Come over here. Thank you. Ah, freaking hell. See, you gotta be very, very quick. Dude, no, come over. Dude, grab the... There we go. No. Dude, over here. Thank you. Okay then. New point situation. Whatever.